Hi friends, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how to configure the basic configuration in a Juniper device. So whenever you are getting a new Juniper device, how we can configure the basic Juniper config and how we can enable the SSH access. So in this architecture, I have connected the Juniper router to the GNS3 VM cloud. So this GNS3 VM IP and this corresponding router interface IP should be in the same subnet. Okay, so that always makes sure that. So now we can configure the basic settings. So let us log into the Juniper router and let now go to the configuration mode. So this is in monitor mode. Let us go to the configuration mode and let us do a empty commit operation. So now see, you are getting the error missing mandatory statement root authentication. That means we have to configure the first and foremost thing, we have to configure the password for the root user. Okay, how to do that? Set system root authentication plain text password. So then you have to provide the password, then set the host name. How to do that? Set system host name, let us make it as router 1. Okay, so now let us do the commit operation. So the commit is successful. How we can check the configuration? Run show configuration display set. Okay, so the one thing you have to observe is first we have set the password, the plain text password, but while seeing the configuration you can see it will be in the encrypted format. But anytime if you want to reset the password, anytime you can reset the password. Okay, so that's the main thing. And now I'm going to set the interface IP. So this IP and this VM IP should be in the same subnet. So my VM IP is in 84 dot segment. So the same interface IP I am going to set for this router interface, that is EM0. Okay, so set interface EM0 unit 0 family inet address 192.168.84.20, sorry, /24. Okay, /24. Let us do a commit operation. So run show configuration display set. So let us do a rollback again and let us set it again. Set interface EM0 and let us do the commit. So now the commit is successful. Now let us ping the command run ping 192.168.84.20. Okay, so I'm able to ping it. Let us ping from the outside environment also. Since I have connected to the VM cloud, I should be in a position to ping from my command prompt 192.168.84.20. So I'm able to ping from the outside command prompt also. So now what we have to do, I have to enable SSH access. See, now if I'm doing in SSH, it will not allow me. SSH root at 192.168.84.20. So it will not allow. So why? Because I have not enabled the SSH access. So we have to go ahead and enable the SSH access. How to do that? So like you have to do set system services SSH root login allow. So I'm going to allow only for root login. Okay, so let us do the commit operation now. Okay, so now let us check from the SSH. SSH root at 192.168.84.20. Okay, now I'll enter the password. So now it will take you to the prompt, right? So now let us do the CLI. It will go to the operational mode. Now let us do the configure. So it will take to the configuration mode. So these are the basic things you have to do whenever you're getting a new Juniper device. Always make sure that first you set the authentication password and then you set the host name, then you set the interface IP. So if you want to enable SSH for the particular root user, you have to enable like this. Or if you want to enable for some other user also, you can enable. So these are the basic Juniper config and how to enable the SSH access. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.